In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Shein referral code. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Shein app. Now just select any product that you want to buy. Say this one, just add it to your cart. Now you want to tap on your cart in the top right. Now tap on checkout in the bottom right. And from here in the order confirmation, just scroll down a bit. And as you can see, there is this apply coupon option right here. So just tap on it. And here in the apply coupon box, so you can simply type in your Shein referral code that you've received. So if that referral code is not expired, you can just tap here and apply and add discounts to your items. Now just go back and use your add a payment method, tap on continue, and you're good to go. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.